Did you know that you can reduce stress and release muscular tension simply by breathing? You take up to 25,000 breaths per day. Now, how many of those breaths were on purpose? How many of those breaths were intentional? You see, the way we breathe triggers physiological changes in our bodies. It changes things like the nervous system. It slows our heart rate, actively breaking the fight or flight response. Most of us are living in fight or flight response, whether we realize it or not. We've done it for so long now that it's just the way we live. It's just natural. We're so used to cortisol pumping through our veins that we don't even realize it's happening. A matter of fact, I might say some of us are addicted to it. But you can actually learn how to consciously breathe so that you can release that cortisol that is aging you, that is stressing you out, that's making you feel on edge all the time. Did you know that you can learn how to breathe that changes your brain activity? Rhythmic breathing increases alpha waves that's associated with calm, rest, peace, and it reduces theta waves that's associated with distraction, stress, frustration, just by learning to breathe. Short, erratic breaths trigger the fight and flight response. It triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline in our body. Now, sometimes we want that. We want to train our bodies how to enter into these states and how to function in these states of stressful states. And we want to learn how to release adrenaline into our body in a healthy way. But the vast majority of the time, we don't want that. And you can learn how deep diaphragmatic breathing activates rest and digest. It activates your physical body. It shuts down, it breaks the fight or flight response. It slows down your heart rate and it brings your body into a state of rest. I'm talking about a physiological change, not just a mental one. And then it also allows your body to start digestion again. Most of us aren't living, we don't have a good digestive tract because we spend most of our time in fight or flight. This reduces muscle tension and stress hormone. Now, listen, if you want to learn more about how to breathe intentional and change your life, check out the link in the bio.